Greetings everyone, welcome back to channel Gateko Waluka. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet these simply elegant bows. If you have been watching our channel and forgetting to subscribe, please do subscribe. And to the newcomers, feel free to subscribe after enjoying this tutorial. Enjoy! Okay, so let's go through what you will need. We are going to use the Mirage 4-ply antique color for this purpose, and we are going to do this decorating with the beads. And you need a pair of scissors, a needle, a sewing needle, and a crochet hook. I'm going to use the 1.5 millimeter, but if you want crystals, you can also use crystals like that to make a bow like that. You will just have to have a glue, beads glue as well to do that. Let's start. To do the tails, we chain 30. We start with a chain of 30, make a knot like that, and then 1, 2, 3, let's chain 30. There is our chain of 30, and we just chain 3, 1, 2, 3 to make a belt, our belt. So we are going to do double stitches all the way back. So 1, 2, 3, and then on the fourth one you start doing your double stitches all the way back, working in the back loop. You've seen this before, even our previous tutorial when we're doing the belt, we're doing this. So let's meet when we are at the end. So we are at the end of our belt. We have to cut this and just slip stitch through that, and to bring it together and make it a little bit roundish, like you see there, it's almost roundish. We just tie these two together with a knot, these two tails with a knot like that. So we have a roundish ending now. So after that we hide the tails. You know how I hide my tails? I put my crochet hook in there and you pull through and hide the tails. Put the wool through my needle hole and pull it out. Even though it's not really full, yeah, but it's got a grip, and then just pull the wool throughout like that, and you see how beautiful this is. Then we just cut. Yeah, so I have now the belt like that, nicely looking. Let's show you how we do the top part now. So with the top part we are going to chain 26. This is just my desired working length, 26. It gives me that nice one there. So that is one. Let's chain 26. Now that we have 26, then we bring this together in a circle and slip stitch. So we chain 3 and do double stitches all the way around, covering that rope. We covered the rope. I will not say how many stitches. You just make sure it's covered all the way around. Covering the rope all the way around. Let's meet when we are done. Hey, do you remember when we were doing a Christmas wreath ornament? We were covering the hairband almost like this. Yeah. Though then we were doing single stitches to cover the hairband. But it's almost like that. And I think kids, boys and girls, will also enjoy making this one. So don't deny them that opportunity. We are at the end now. We are just slip stitching through to bring the two together, and we cut and hide the tail. Yeah. Okay, so we have completed our circle. We have covered it with double stitches all around. Now we have to fold this like that and take our tail and cut a piece of a wool, a longish one. I have cut my piece of wool and just bind the two together like that. And to incorporate our bead, yay, yeah, so I can put my bead like that. Also, so this one is going like this. You can also bring with a needle, try and put the other tail through like that. So put this, let's try to do that. Hey, yeah, I got it. Yeah, so now that let's bring it back into position. Now that we have this one going this way, we are pulling the other one opposing, so we're just pulling it out through like that. Okay, awesome. So we have the two running like that. So just put it together and make sure it's in the center there. And at the back you tie a knot. Just bringing this to the center. So, but that's it. That's how beautiful and elegant our bow is. I want to tell you why I'm leaving a tail. I have made a black one like this, left a tail. The reason why I left a tail, it's because in our next tutorial we are going to incorporate that into a glove, so it will look like this. Yeah, it will look like that. So let's meet when we are showing you how to make this vintage classic glove. Newcomers, don't forget to subscribe and please share Let's have more people learn the skills and comment, ask questions. Bye bye everyone.